welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, we have our homemade buttermilk biscuits, but this is just a little tutorial about what's going on. Ladies, if you want to keep your man, what are you supposed to do? Throw away the can. That's right. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all be using them canned biscuits. Y'all go in and get your little 3 ingredients and do your own, okay? Now, we have our food recipe on our YouTube channels. Very simple. You just make them homemade from scratch. And ladies, once you guys do that, you guys don't have to worry about your man skipping and dabbling down somewhere else trying to get some homemade brown biscuits. Okay, everybody? Now, there's something special about these biscuits because they're very simple. Make sure you guys follow us for a lot more. Go to our YouTube channel. Check out our biscuits tutorial. We have the old-fashioned way and the easy way. See you guys soon. We also want to thank Vicki Ash for following us and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Welcome to Granny's Table.